parang may mga mayayaman yung nakatira dito. Kaya pala they can provide the salary.
Opo, sa mga staff, mga nagbabantay.
Oo. Kaya pala no entrance fee kasi
Chinese
Oo. Kaya nilang
Filipino community. Ito yung
Taoist. Kala ko towels.
magkakita ko kay bakit hindi sila makuha kayo. Hindi ka bumili ng mga isla?
Namaya daw, pagkatapos dito. Para one way tayo.
Gusto ko yung hotdog na.
Hotdog sandwich?
Kutlong.
Hotdog sandwich.
Sila, bakit?
Oo, sabi ko nga sama na lang siya para makakuha din sila. Taoist Temple pala. Sorry Sorry sa pag-post ko. Wow, nice view.
Oh, nice view.
Yeah.
Yes.
Nice view.
See, there's some water.
You can see
And
a
that is
nicer
what?
view there going up
Is that
to
Cebu?
Yes, that's Cebu, sir. That's near also the business park. Parang
Taoist Temple pala. Ito yung Philippine community.
ito yung
Ang tawag dito, Chinese Filipino community pala. Sorry. Pagpasensyahan nyo na.
taon lang ako.
Ha?
Kaya mo na sila mag-join.
Dapat pala dito ako titira. Yan, dapat dito na ako
Pwede
titira.
magpa-picture dito. Dito.
Ako din, kahit isa lang. Gamitin mo na lang yan kasi naka-live ako eh. Kahit isa lang.
I'm not finished yet.
I'm not finished yet. The both of you, take a picture.
1, 2,
So what?
3.
That's what I was just telling her. My memories of all these places we went is her. The picture she has.
Okay. Okay lang po. Yan.
Kuya Paul, nasa Cebu pa lang ako. Nasa Taoist Temple lang ako sa Cebu. Ano daw to? Filipino-Chinese community.
Like change.
So,
You want transformation of change? You're like that one.
Really?
Pero pwede
There's so
din
many
doon.
stories that go
Pwede
with
ka-
these,
wag lang daw sa may mga
Saints.
these artists.
Saint.
These,
Sa labas niya pwede.
what do you call
Uh-oh.
it? These. I can't think of their name.
So, bawal lang mag-picture at saka mag-live sa mga may saints.
They have different. Ba't di mo ako?
Ha?
For example, they also have the belief.
Sabi mo, hi guys ka muna.
Hi guys!
Shout out.
Sa inyo. Dito tayo ngayon sa sa Chinese Filipino communities. This is the
If it's there, there's
third
a yes,
time we are
there's a
going to
Tagalog na lang.
There's like a wooden stone.
Nag-split ako ah. Guys, tutur namin kayo guys dito Ito yung bahay ng Chinese.
Hindi siya bahay.
Ito yung bahay ng mga monkey. Oo.
I know taking picture.
Hindi saan?
Dito banda.
Doon. Ito, dito. Dito.
Oh, so beautiful.
Parang
This place is so beautiful.
Even sometimes even the paintings and even that drawing, it has a meaning.
Yeah, it
That's
does.
why they always post that no picture taking of the saint insides or the altar, even though they don't have any altar. I think that it's their altar.
Yeah, okay.
The ones they will light it up, the stick.
Mm-mm.
Just
So you think they might copy their art?
No,
They duplicate it if they take pictures?
I don't think so. But maybe it was
because of
for
their
the-
religious belief, like
and they want to respect the
respect.
so ibig mo sabihin, pag pumunta tayo doon, ganun din.
Bawal
Bawal na
picture.
yung kahit yung bahay.
Pero pwede po tayo pumunta doon tayo.
Pwede tayong pumunta pero hindi pwedeng may picture at saka
Or videos
of
or
video. Also guys, restricted tayo. Bawal cellphone sa Taoist Temple.
Parang ano lang siya.
Bye guys.